Hello guys, my name is Snigdha and a new video today is a gift video unboxing. So I have a new gift today from my Sadia Meram, the teacher. Sadia teacher, it says, just for you, Snigdha Mooney. I just love this. Thank you, teacher. Thank you. My teacher's name. Teacher? Yeah. Let's unbox. Oh, this is an unboxing video. Oh no, I need new tape now. Ah! Oh no. Slowly, I love this packaging. Love this packaging. Well, it's okay. It's okay. It's gonna do just like this. Hope I get it. Okay. I'm so excited. Nicest gift in the world. You have to see this. Oh no. I'm just sorry. It's a new storybook. I'm excited. New storybook. Look at how many pages. And this, we can. It's like the people's house and a fair and baby inside or money. Now look at this little bit mommy camera with Georgia. Oh, get the bikini and the princess dog sitting for a campfire. Look at it. And he's helping her. And he's really versatile. Let's go over here. And we get these with her Dewey. That's so cute. This is maybe my favorite. This is a princess story. And look at this elephant with a shark and a rabbit. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I'm really excited. Look at this bear and look at and the rabbit, passion rabbit. He's actually a monster. Have wings, so he's her hair and so. Look at their campfire wings. They're so fun. So much fun. Look at the Boo and the king. And look at the ant and he's waiting for a wheels and he's fishing. He's like, oh, should he just do 1, 2. I can't hurry. Look at the Boo and her boy. Like a weird animal and a horse. It's so cool. Oh, I love this. I'm so story. I love this story. So thank you. I'm so excited. This teacher is a little bit finer than this teacher because it's a little bit calm down. I really want my teacher. The sweetest gift I've ever seen. I'm never gonna tour this. I'm a little bit touring, but not Icha. Hold on. Finally, I can do it. Can't. So it's the end. This is my favorite. And goodbye from a video and